Todo klase teacher no Mikey. Wa man napukpok ka ganyan, manadaga. Wahay si kulang manapalilingon na sonya. Was it a high anxiety, and all that, but sometimes na. Lo wow, siya no, based on ano na no, paggun mo na malongo, pag-amko. Lo tanging komento sila do sa magay, napon sa mga niso, manyanyan kiso, yan no. Que contra itataw-taw utunga como malongo di contra chenot malpi padahi. Lo para di tekujong na patpun pa no manong na banda ani kisinya uso bisa teno manoy so lo para sinenti tataw-taw ngan. Ani kisinya besa monyo na manachen malpi lo anti di beso kaya pa. Pai sinofinen na ko mano hospital. Zaman check up sila mo pagudan nila niya tawdan niya hapa problema mo pisitigin ang ano dong aligo suruhanu pa suruhana lo galometres biasa lo kuy sa maamcho ni kontra suruhana dati iningo bis na para ano dong check up sa debe ay dina suruhana sinangani na o check up talo sa makan zaman good taw-taw ni yung muna malongo. Lo todo classy. It's not just one kind of sickness. You can go and use the bathroom and then they make your private area, swollen. Especially with the kids, when you guys go to the beach, you throw the pampers out or, at night. And when you look at them, late at night, man malum about 8, 9. They just walk straight into the house. They don't believe on sitting outside and cooling off for at least 5 minutes before they enter the house. That's how you bring the spirit, into your house. And once they get in, it's very hard to get them out. It's very hard to get them out. So, it's different. There's all kinds of things.